If I wanted to draw an ellipses, it's very easy. You can go to the home tab on the ribbon. There is this icon, it's the ellipses. You have 3 different commands for ellipses, with center, axis end, and elliptical arc. We'll go one by one, but I chose this column to draw the ellipses around it. You probably won't have that box around this column. This is just to make the work easier for me. I drew it by the triangle. In future videos you will get to that for sure. Let's go ahead and try the center, creating an ellipsis with a center. First it tells me enter specify center of ellipse. So here's the center. Specify endpoint of axis. Here's the endpoint. Here's the other endpoint. There it is. I have my ellipses. Now I'll right click and undo, just so I can try the other command by axis and end. It asks me to specify axis endpoint. Here's the axis endpoint. The other axis points, here it is. So by a couple of clicks I have my ellipses. I'll go ahead and undo on my quick access toolbar. The last one is a little bit different, but it's not difficult for sure. Just like the previous command, I should specify the axis, endpoints of the axis, and the other one. Now it's asking me to specify the start angle. The start angle, let's just say it's this one. Okay. You should always make sure you have your polar tracking activated and your snapping tool, just to make things easier to snap to the intersections and so on. It goes counterclockwise, as I mentioned in my previous video. So it's let's just go ahead and say I want half ellipses. I'll click and there it is. I have my half ellipses. So that's how you go and create ellipses in 3 different ways. Depends on your project.